Lions Club of Nagaram, Savitribai Phule, success story. Empowering society to excel through spoken English classes. Savitribai Phule was a social reformer and the first woman teacher of India. Along with her husband Jyotirao Phule and her friend Fatima Sheikh, she played an important role in improving women's education in India since 1948 when women were not allowed to go to school in those days. Taking her service motto and vision as the inspiration, this club has been named after her. Along with the service activities, while studying the needs of the community, our Lions Club members have identified the education as the key area to serve. Our service team has studied the needs of English language and fluency to the students and the problems they are facing in day-to-day life. As English is the global language, it is the language of internet and commerce. English is the language of science and technology. English is the language for good job opportunities, as it is the language of administration in private and public. English is a rich treasure of global knowledge and world resources. Our service committee has studied that many schools and college going students, youth, and housewives lack good communication skills in English. Many school going children, particularly from the underprivileged background, are facing language problems with the reading comprehension of their textbooks. Youth are facing communication difficulties when they attend interviews and accessing world resources on science and technology through internet. Many housewives, through those studied up to 10th class and above, are unable to guide their children in education. Based on the above study of community requirements, our service team has designed a unique activity of teaching English language to students, youth, and housewives by running spoken English classes for 30 days as per their convenient time, free of cost in their locality from their standard. So, with the support of other Lions clubs, NGOs like People's Welfare Trust Hyderabad, with a team of teachers, social workers, and volunteers, we started spoken English classes for 30 days for students, youth, housewives, and employees. This spoken English course is for 30 days daily for 90 minutes duration with 45 minutes activity like group discussion, storytelling, debating, and public speaking. We have organized classes at different places like ECIL, Kamlanagar, Gatkesar, Dammaiguda, Kapra, Nagaram, and Cherlapalli. We have organized spoken English classes to students in government schools at ZPHS Kapra and Dammaiguda. After school hours, we have run spoken English classes at adapted government boys hostel at Nagaram. We have organized special batches for women in the afternoon to suit their timing requirements. Along with English language training, we have organized personality development classes to students for their all-round development. These classes helped them to become responsible citizens with scientific temper and love for the fellow human beings for a better tomorrow. In the process, some students, after getting motivated and after being trained, have started teaching in our program of spoken English classes as volunteers.
Thank you very much to Lions Club.
Till now, we have run 60 batches and trained more than 1200 participants and got good feedback and appreciation from the society. Our services were used by many students, youth, women, employees from different walks of life, where these classes have helped them to improve their English language skills. School students improved their reading and comprehension skills, youth improved their communication skills for interviews and career, employees improved their job prospects. Many women have become competent to teach English classes after attending our classes. There is a saying that education of a woman is education of a family. Whatever may be the standard of our participants, they improved from their existing standard to higher level. Though it is a 30 days program, some participants have attended 2-3
MD
months
Liaquat Ali.
till they have
I am from
achieved good
Gatkesar.
progress to their
Last year,
satisfaction.
I
Our
attended
motto
the
is
class
service to the
of
society.
spoken
These
English of
classes
Lions
are
Club
like
and team.
teaching to catch a
I
fish,
learned
then
so
giving a
much how
fish.
to speak
We
English.
request youth, volunteers, teachers
Now I
to
can
come forward
easily
and support
communicate.
our service mission forward. Thank you, Lions Club of Nagaram, Savitribai Phule.
Lions Club. It helped me a lot. I can read textbooks and newspapers easily. I can understand when my teacher asks me any.
I am Sangri Madan. I am working in NFC Hyderabad. I am from Tamil Nadu. I am attend the class last year. I have learning so much English.
Before I attended these spoken English classes, I was not confident to speak in English. After 2 months, I am taking spoken English classes to students.
I joined this institute, Spoken English Institute.
I'm unable to talk or I'm unable to communicate. I'm very nervous to speak in English. But after that, now I'm perfectly communicating to others.
Grammar, we cannot even speak in English. So we should know some grammar, and they have taught me. Thank you, sir. Not only the English, I have learned so many things over there. They have taught me the knowledge also. When I was joined in the class, I don't know anything. So they have taught me everything, and they have encouraged me. They have supported me.
Class, I have studied in Telugu medium. Next, I did take intermediate in English medium with that confidence given to this class. Now I am speaking in English with my colleagues and communicate with people in English. This class is given to a very wonderful confidence for me to